As we head into 2024, the sixth generation of the Ford Explorer is set for a highly anticipated refresh. Here are the top 10 features we believe make it a strong contender in today's crowded three-row SUV market. The new 2024 Ford Explorer has two distinct and powerful engine options that offer outstanding performance and towing capabilities. The standard engine is a potent 300 horsepower, 2.3-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, coupled with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This combination allows the Explorer to accelerate from 0 to 60 in approximately 6 seconds, with a peak torque of 310 pound-feet. For those seeking more power, the upper-tier Platinum and ST models are outfitted with a 400 horsepower, twin-turbocharged 3-liter V6 engine. This powerhouse will have no issues in getting you to 60 miles an hour in just 5.2 seconds and covers a quarter mile in a mere 13.8 seconds. This offers a similar performance to that of the BMW X3 M40i. The Explorer is built on a rear-wheel drive platform, offering all-wheel drive as an optional feature. Across all models, the ride quality is smooth and reliable. The ST model in particular stands out with its increased sportiness and stiffer suspension, marking it as a genuinely performance-oriented SUV. All the 2024 Explorer trims, both in two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive configurations, come with a smart terrain management system offering up to 7 selectable drive modes to suit your adventures. These modes include Normal, Trail, Deep Snow Sand, Slippery, Sport, Tow, Haul, and Eco mode. Once selected, they will modify the electronic stability and traction control systems for optimized performance in different conditions. The Deep Snow Sand mode is only available on the four-wheel drive models, and it helps adjust the suspension settings for better traction and control in challenging conditions like slushy or sandy environments. The Slippery mode will control the throttle response and refine the gear shifting so that the car can be more effective in handling terrain with a wet, loose, or slippery surface. In Trail mode, the 2024 Explorer lets you set a specific speed for off-road travel, and then it will automatically handle acceleration and braking for a smooth experience over rough and challenging terrains. The Tow and Haul mode in the 2024 Explorer adjusts the transmission's shift points during acceleration, maintaining the vehicle in a higher power range. This feature is particularly effective when driving over rough terrain, ensuring a smoother and more efficient towing experience. The Sport mode ramps up the throttle response, providing a more engaging steering feel and swifter gear shifts, while the Eco mode prioritizes fuel efficiency, ensuring a more economical and environmentally friendly driving experience. Every 2024 Explorer model is outfitted with side wind stabilization, a feature engineered to assist drivers in maintaining their course despite strong or sudden gusts of wind. Originally introduced in the Ford Transit and Transit Custom commercial vehicles, this technology effectively helps you remain in your lane when hit by a sudden crosswind or turbulence generated by large trucks driving alongside you. Essentially, it selectively applies the brakes on one side of the vehicle to counter the effects of lateral wind gusts on the car's path. At speeds that exceed 50 miles an hour, the side wind stabilization system monitors the vehicle's stability sensors 100 times per second. Ford engineers tested the system at specialized wind test tracks or in real-life conditions in notoriously windy regions like the North Sea coast. The 2024 Ford Explorer also offers an Amazon Alexa integration that works perfectly with the Sync 4 system. Using Alexa, you can easily play your favorite music, find directions, check traffic conditions, and even manage your smart home devices, such as lights and garage doors, directly from your car. This feature also simplifies finding parking spots and paying for gas. The Amazon Alexa built-in system is also compatible with the Ford Pass app, enabling functions like starting or stopping the engine, locking or unlocking the doors, checking the vehicle's range, and monitoring tire pressure remotely. The 2024 Ford Explorer's interior is more about function and comfort than flashy design, especially in the front 2 rows. The third row is not bad either. By pressing a handy button, you can move the second row seat out of the way and occupy the third row seats. However, if you're a tall fellow, you might find it a bit snug back there, since the seat sits pretty low to the floor. Standard in the Explorer is an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and equipped with a Wi-Fi hotspot. The system's interface is visually appealing and responsive, although its usability could be improved by adding a rotary controller. For those seeking a larger display, the optional 10.1-inch vertically oriented touchscreen is available in the higher trims, and all but the base model comes standard with a 12-speaker B&O stereo system. Regarding seating, the Explorer's got this neat feature called Power Fold for the third row. It's super easy to switch between seating for 7 people and making more room for your stuff. Just press a button and the seats fold down. The inside of the Explorer gets even better with the 7 different colors of ambient lighting available in the first and second rows. And then there's the twin-panel moonroof. It's not just a window on the roof, it really opens up the space, letting in lots of light and giving you great views of the sky. The new 2024 Ford Explorer comes in 8 different trim levels, starting from the base model that cost about $38,000 and going all the way up to the Platinum trim, which can set you back a whopping $56,000. Probably the best 2024 Explorer for the money is the mid-level limited version. Priced at $49,000, it can tow an impressive 5,300 pounds when fitted with the optional towing package. Adding all-wheel drive for an extra $2,000 might be a good move too. Beyond that, the limited trim comes with plenty of great features that should meet most needs. Yes, it will not give you the mean punch of the twin-turbocharged V6, but it gets the job done more efficiently than its bigger brother. Moreover, you get a 12-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system, stylish 20-inch wheels, a steering wheel that's both heated and power adjustable, comfy leather seats, a handy power folding third row, and some advanced driver aids like adaptive cruise control. If you're looking for more ability off the beaten path, the Timberline model might be worth the extra cost. It has a bit more off-road capability and it uses the same turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. We know it's not a feature per se, but it's worth mentioning the off-road oriented Explorer Timberline as a very good option to choose from the Explorer lineup. Priced at about $51,000, the Ford Explorer Timberline offers some impressive off-road upgrades. It borrows dampers from the Explorer-based Police Interceptor utility vehicle, paired with updated springs and Bridgestone Dueler AT Revo 3 tires on unique 18-inch wheels. This setup raises the SUV's ground clearance by 0.8 inches, bringing it to a total of 8.7 inches. For even better off-road performance, the all-wheel drive Timberline has a Torsen limited slip rear differential, protective underbody skid plates, front rebound springs, and redesigned front and rear grille. These changes not only give the Timberline a more rugged look, but also improve its approach and departure angles to 23.5 and 23.7 degrees respectively. Plus, its breakover angle is now 18.9 degrees, which is 1.8 degrees better than the more road-oriented versions of the Explorer. Moreover, the Timberline trim also gets some mean-looking exclusive badging and off-road auxiliary lighting provisions. More often than not, we fall in love with how a car looks before we learn how it behaves on the road. So Ford knows that looks are important, and this is why you get a wide variety of exterior packages to choose from. For example, the XLT Sport Appearance Package includes carbonized gray-painted 10-spoke wheels, lower bodyside cladding inserts and skid plate elements, chrome dual exhaust tips, or a gloss black cap on the side view mirrors. For a sportier road look, the ST Street Pack comes with 21-inch aluminum wheels, performance brakes, and red-painted front and rear brake calipers. The 2024 Ford Explorer, in its base, XLT, ST Line, Timberline, and limited trim levels, offer a towing capacity of up to 5,300 pounds when equipped with the Class 4 trailer tow package. Models powered by the more powerful 3-liter EcoBoost V6 engine feature a maximum towing capacity of 5,600 pounds when equipped with the same specialized tow package. The Class 4 trailer tow package includes a frame-mounted Class 4 receiver hitch at the rear, making it straightforward to attach trailers or RVs. It also comes with wired connections, ensuring your trailer's lighting and braking systems have the necessary power. An added benefit is the inclusion of an engine oil cooler, which helps manage the additional strain and heat generated from towing heavier loads. To assist with towing, the 2024 Ford Explorer is also equipped with a tow haul mode, part of the standard terrain management system. The Explorer takes towing very seriously because it also has a trailer sway control technology. The system works together with the roll stability control and can detect any swaying of the trailer by using a yaw motion sensor. When sway is detected, the system applies asymmetrical braking or adjusts the engine power and torque to stabilize both the car and the trailer. There's no doubt the new Ford Explorer is a great option, but click the video on your screen now to learn more about an SUV that's already turning heads.